Yeah, this is really ready. The plant is our basil, banana stalks, cuttings. Here I have some tomatoes and some pepper seedlings. They are outgrowing this container now, so and there are quite a bit of pepper plants in here and some tomato seedlings. So this is a pumpkin seedling. And these are leaf of life. So I'm going to transplant the tomatoes. No, not all of them, just some. Some of them, they're even yellowing. Yeah, they need to go into the earth. Like right now. This one is really big. Yeah, this is really ready. I've prepared this little plot to plant the tomatoes. Here I have some basil plants to deter some of the pests that might try to attack the tomato plant. These are basil. So beside each hole, I've placed a basil. I'm going to also plant some on this side in this plot. There is something peaceful about planting food with your own hands. Today I'm planting tomatoes, but gardening has a way of becoming about much more than just plants. Every hole in the soil feels like an act of hope. Before planting, I am adding chopped banana stalks into the holes. Over time, they will slowly break down, helping the soil hold moisture longer during hot days. It's a simple method, but simple things often make the biggest difference. I also added chicken manure to feed the plants naturally and help them grow strong and healthy. And beside each tomato plant, I planted basil. Not just because it smells wonderful, but because companion planting reminds me that some things grow better together. Even in nature, support matters. Nearby, the lemongrass moves quietly in the breeze. The garden always feels alive in its own gentle way. Nature wastes very little, and maybe people should remember that too. Sometimes we overlook ourselves because we think we are too ordinary, too late, too small, or too broken to become useful again. Yet, gardens constantly prove that life can grow from unexpected places. A tiny seed becomes food. A buried stem becomes stronger roots. A simple backyard becomes a place of provision. That's one reason I enjoy gardening so much. It slows the mind down. It pulls attention away from noise and brings it back to small, meaningful things. One of my favorite parts of planting tomatoes is laying them sideways in the soil instead of standing them upright. Many people don't realize tomatoes can grow roots all along their buried stems. What looks unusual above the ground can actually create greater strength underneath. Life can feel that way too. Sometimes we go through seasons where we feel buried under pressure, responsibilities, disappointment, uncertainty, or exhaustion. From the outside, it may look like we're not moving forward at all, but unseen roots may still be forming. Strength is often growing quietly beneath the surface, long before anyone notices the fruit. Gardening teaches patience in a very honest way. You cannot rush roots. You cannot force harvest. You cannot force harvest before their season. You water, you nurture, you wait.
and trust that growth is happening even when the soil looks still. I think many of us need that reminder. The world moves fast. People want instant success, instant answers, instant results. But gardens move differently. Gardens teach slower wisdom. A seed does not panic because it hasn't become a tree in 1 week. And maybe we shouldn't be so hard on ourselves either. Some seasons are for blooming, some are for resting, some are for rooting deeper. Even these tomato plants will face wind, heat, insects, and heavy rain. Yet, with deep enough roots, they have a better chance to survive difficult conditions. People are not so different. The deeper our roots become, the more we can endure difficult seasons without completely breaking apart. There's also something deeply comforting about using what is already around us. Banana stalks, basil, garden soil, water, sunlight. Things many people overlook still carry value. Used plastic bottles, the feel of the soil, the sound of watering, the quiet satisfaction of planting something today. Something that may feed you tomorrow. There is hope in that. And even if everything in the world feels uncertain sometimes, planting food still feels like an act of faith, because every garden begins with believing that growth will come later. So today, these tomatoes are planted, watered, and settling into their new home. Now we wait, and while we wait, the roots begin their hidden work.